Parallel circuit, introductory problem. In a parallel circuit, the current can travel in more than one path. In this circuit here, we have a 12-volt battery that's powering the circuit. We have two resistors located in parallel, R1 being 3 ohms, R2 being unknown. We also have an ammeter measuring 5 amps of current. We know that the current in must be the same as the current out. The current will split through these two paths here. We also know that we can find the total resistance of the circuit by using Ohm's law. So the voltage total must equal the current total divided by the resistance total. In this case, resistance total is what we're looking for, so we can calculate that by dividing the voltage total divided by the current total. 12 volts divided by 5 amps gives you a resistance of 2. In this problem, we have a parallel circuit with a 12-volt battery. We have two resistors, one at 3 ohms, one of unknown value, located in parallel, and the current, as it comes back to the battery, is registering 5 amps on the ammeter. The question here is, what is the resistance across this resistor here, resistor 2? We know from parallel circuits, and our knowledge of that, is that the total voltage is equal to the total current divided by the total resistance. We can find the total resistance because we know the total voltage, 12 volts, and the total current, 5 amps. By rearranging this, we find that the total voltage divided by the total current, which is 12 volts divided by 5 amps, provides us a total resistance of 2.4 ohms. Now that we know the total resistance, we can take the idea that 1 over the resistance total is equal to 1 over resistance 1 plus 1 over resistance 2. In this case, we would rearrange the formula to solve for resistor 2, being 1 over R2 is equal to 1 over RT minus 1 over R1. Substituting in the values for RT, which we calculated above, 1 divided by 2.4 ohms minus 1 over 3 ohms. Subtracting these two values and then flipping them to get the inverse to solve for R2 gives us a value of 12 ohms. Therefore, the resistor R2 has a value of 12 ohms to give us the total resistance of 2.4 ohms.